Welcome. In front of me is a Realme 12 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of the screen, and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be a screen recording, so if you don't see it on the first page, you can swipe to the left and this will show you additional pages. For me, the toggle is located on the second page right over here. Once you see it, simply click on it. If you're doing this the first time around, it will bring up this overview, asking you for permission to record audio. And then gives you this overlay right here with record, sound options, and just close. If you click on this sound options, it actually brings up another pop-up right here and allows you to select what kind of sound will be recorded. So you have system sound and microphone. Now you can obviously record both of those at the same time, but I would recommend using headphones for this. Otherwise you might record kind of like an unwanted echo effect when the phone makes some kind of, for instance, plays music. So it gets recorded internally, then goes to the speaker and the microphone picks it up for the second time. So you probably wouldn't want that. Anyway, from there, click on record. Gives you a counter right here, how long you've been recording, and whatever you do right now will be recorded. Now, there's a bit of a caveat to this. It's a reason why I'm opening up Netflix. So keep in mind I'm not signed in. I haven't agreed to anything of Netflix. Neither did I agree to this bullshit that just popped up right there. So we can see clearly there's content visible right here. Obviously. Once I close this and stop the recording, let's go to our gallery application right over here to view it. So you should be able to see it under photos or also under albums and video. And here's a screen recording already being played back. So what you're about to see is just a fully black screen because Netflix, without my freaking permission, decides to black screen recorder. Mind you, I have not agreed to any single shred of terms of use for this garbage application, and yet they just go, fuck you, and here you go, here is nothing for you because we have control over your device. So I just wanted to point that out. I am always picking Netflix as this garbage comes pre-installed with most devices, and what I have a problem here is with the fact that not that it's blocking really the screen recording, as it's not the only application, but that it's doing that without your permission or without you needing to ever agree to their terms of service. So why? How come? What gives you the right to control my device? That's basically my problem. Now, that being said, like I said, Netflix won't be the only application. This feature of Android is designed for privacy and protecting you in a way. Just Netflix doesn't use it that way, obviously. But for instance, bank applications would utilize this option to prevent any kind of spyware from being able to see the bank application and, for instance, seeing what kind of PIN you're typing in. So that would be very beneficial to you. Where it isn't beneficial is for apps like this, where it just doesn't matter whatsoever. There is no any kind of sensitive information being displayed for you to be at risk. So just wanted to point that out. If you ever encounter just fully black screen, just know that this is part of Android, and whatever application is doing that, there is nothing you can do. There's no option for you to change, no workaround. So with that being said, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.